Home provides you with a reliable base to lean on, but it has more than one side. The installation of fill-in level sensors in the sewage reservoir enables efficient sewage management. Sensors monitor effluent volumes in real time, perform data analysis and overflow warning. Compared to inefficient regular recycling, we help management and cleaning personnel monitor the fill-in level of sewage reservoir and prejudge according to the increasing trend of loading so as to clean in appropriate time. Technology creates happiness. Wisdom is born of love. Mid-Hive uses technology to create more possibilities for home. Data technology makes life better.